and this is the state of VIL at Lindblom High School, Chicago, Illinois. I've implemented the VIL program through the use of design thinking in my classroom. All my students need to use the design thinking process to solve a community or school problem. My students went through each step, first diving into empathy and understanding the problem and the people. They then went through, ideated, defined the problem, and created a website that documents their journey through the design process, ultimately ending with an app, wireframe that they tested out with the community. Let's take a look at an example project that my students did. Here you could see lunchroom life. In this example, students looked at the lunchroom and tried to figure out what was wrong with it. First, they emphasized by brainstorming goods and bads about the lunchroom, working onto a survey where they collected data to see what people felt about the lunchroom. They followed it up with defining the problem in a POV, ideation on ways to solve the problem. They then prototyped their app, and finally tested their app. They use WordPress, which is a transferable skill, to document the experiments, and that is the state of VIL at Lindblom.